Hey guys, I'll be back at you with another story. So there's this small town garage called Torque and Trouble Auto Repair, run by a grizzled owner named Big Mike and his two apprentices, Tony and little Joey, who's still learning but enthusiastic as hell. One slow afternoon, a guy rolls in with a beat up old Honda Civic that's making a god-awful rattling noise, like a blender full of marbles crossed with a dying cat. Customer says it started after I hit a pothole. Fix it quick, I gotta get to work. Big Mike pops the hood, listens, pokes around. Sounds like a loose heat shield or maybe exhaust. Easy peasy. They jack it up, slide underneath, and there it is. The catalytic converter is literally hanging by a thread, banging around like a piñata every time the car moves. But wait, something's weird. There's a rock-hard basketball-sized lump of black carbon gunk jammed inside the pipe, right where the converter used to be intact. Tony shines his light. Boss, look, it's like someone poured concrete in there. Big Mike pries at it with a screwdriver, and out pops this massive, perfectly formed carbon pearl the size of a softball. It rolls across the floor like a dark, evil Easter egg. Joey picks it up because of course he does, and goes, "Whoa, is this worth anything? Like a black opal?" They all laugh, but then the customer walks back in from the waiting room. "Hey, you guys done yet? I'm in a rush." But Big Mike holds up the carbon blob. "Sir, your cat converter basically turned into a rock tumbler. This thing formed around a broken filter element. Must have been rattling for months. We replaced the converter, but you're lucky it didn't catch fire or poison you with exhaust." Customer blinks. "Wait, so my car grew a tumor?" Tony can't hold it in and snorts so hard he drops his wrench on his foot. Big Mike deadpans. "Yeah, and it's malignant. $800 to evict it." But the punchline, while they're all laughing, Joey, still holding the carbon ball like it's a trophy, accidentally drops it. It bounces once, twice, rolls straight under the lift, and plops right into the open oil drain pan of the car on the next bay over. That car belongs to the town sheriff, who's waiting for an oil change. The pan's full of fresh, dirty oil. The carbon blob sinks like a stone, instantly turning the oil into chunky black soup. Joey freezes. Tony whispers, "Dude, that's the sheriff's cruiser." Big Mike just sighs, grabs a shop rag, and mutters, "Well, boys, looks like we're doing a free oil change today, and Joey, you're buying the sheriff coffee for a month." They fished the blob out with gloves and regret, finished the civic job, and somehow convinced the sheriff it was just some shop debris. Happens all the time. He drives off none the wiser. But the shop crew still calls that carbon lump the black pearl of doom. Joey keeps a photo of it on his phone as his lock screen caption, "My first felony." Moral: in a repair shop, the weirdest things always find a way to multiply, and never let the apprentice hold anything around in evil. Thanks for listening, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever floats your boat. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.